Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 is equal to 80. So, to solve this equation, I'm going to first start by subtracting 80 on both sides. So now I get x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 minus 80 is equal to 0. Now from here, I'm going to replace 80, negative 80, I should say, with negative 16 minus 64. Now, I'm going to rewrite this as, I'm going to first rewrite negative 16 as negative 4 squared, and negative 64 as negative 4 to the power of 3. And I'm going to group x squared with negative 4 squared, and x to the power of 3 with negative 4 to the power of 3. So now, there's two properties that I'm going to use. And before that, I'm going to rewrite this as x squared minus 4 squared, and I'm going to group this minus x to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3. We put this plus because this negative sign distributes. Now, if I have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b times a minus b. And if I have something in the form a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, which is this is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So for x squared minus 4 squared, it's going to turn into x plus 4 times x minus 4. I have this minus a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, or in this case, x to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3 is going to turn into x plus 4 times x squared minus 4x plus 16. Now, because both of these terms have x plus 4 in them, I can factor out x plus 4. So I get x plus 4 times x minus 4 minus x squared minus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. Now from here, this is equal to x plus 4 times x minus 4 minus x squared plus 4x minus 16. I just distribute the negative sign is equal to 0. And let's simplify this even more. I get x plus 4 times negative x squared plus 5x minus 20 is equal to 0. So I get two equations from this. I get x plus 4 equals 0, and negative x squared plus 5x minus 20 is equal to 0. So first, for x plus 4 equals 0, all we have to do is subtract 4 on both sides, and we get x is equal to negative 4. Now, for negative x squared plus 5x minus 20 equals 0, well, first off, we have a negative sign in front of x squared, so I'm actually going to get rid of that by multiplying both sides by negative 1. So I get x squared minus 5x plus 20 is equal to 0. And now, to solve this, I'm going to use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, a is 1, b is negative 5, and c is 20. So I get x is equal to negative of negative 5 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is negative 5 squared, which is 25, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 20, all over 2a, so 2 times 1. And this is equal to 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 80 over 2, which is equal to 5 plus or minus the square root of negative 55 over 2. Now, this is equal to the square root of 55 times the square root of negative 1 over 2. And the square root of negative 1 is equal to the imaginary number I. So I get 5 plus or minus the square root of 55i over 2. So this is two more solutions to this equation. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and share this to any of your friends and family. Alright, so for this video, I'm going to solve the equation 3 to the power of x to the power of 2 over 9 to the power of x is equal to 81. So to solve this, I want all my terms in the same base. And in this case, this would be a base of 3 because all of these are powers of 3. So we don't need to change 3 to the power of x squared because this is already a base of 3. But 9, I'm going to change to 3 squared, so I get 3 squared to the power of x. And 81, I'm going to change to 3 to the power of 4. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So I get 3 to the power of x squared over 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 3 to the power of 4. And now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So I get 3 to the power of x squared minus 2x is equal to 3 to the power of 4. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, this means m is equal to n. So this means x squared minus 2x is equal to 4. Now if I subtract both sides by 4, I get x squared minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now to solve this, I'm going to use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, a is 1, b is negative 2, and c is negative 4. So I get x is equal to negative of negative 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 4 all over 2 times 1. Now from here, I get x is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 plus 16 over 2. So I'm going to rewrite that over here. X is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 20 over 2. Now, the square root of 20 is the same thing as the square root of 5 times 4, which is equal to the square root of 5 times the square root of 4, which is equal to 2 root 5. So I get x is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 over 2, meaning x is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 5. So these are my two solutions to this equation. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and also share this video to your friends or family because that would support a lot. And if you want to watch more videos like these, check out my channel because I have a bunch of challenge problems such as these ones. Thank you.